Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about some very important multiple choice questions on the topic mineral nutrition in plants. So let us begin with the questions. The first question is, how many essential nutrients are required by a plant? So a plant requires in total 17 essential nutrients. Previously these nutrients were 16 and recently nickel has been added. So now the total number of nutrients became 17. Next question is, the basic nutrients required by a plant are. So the basic nutrients are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These basic nutrients are mainly responsible for forming the basic structure of the plant. Next question is, which of the following are the primary nutrients required by a plant? So nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, these are the primary nutrients which are required by the plant. Next question is, which of the following are the secondary nutrients required by a plant? So the secondary nutrients are calcium, magnesium and sulfur. You do not have to get confused. The primary nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, whereas the secondary nutrients are calcium, magnesium and sulfur. The next question is, who proposed the criteria of essentiality of nutrients? So the criteria of essentiality of nutrients was proposed by Arnon and Stout in the year 1939. Next question is, which of the following nutrient plays important role in energy storage? So whenever we will talk about energy, the nutrient responsible is phosphorus. It is responsible for storage of energy. Next question is, deficiency of which nutrient is responsible for purple discoloration of the leaf? In case of deficiency of phosphorus, the leaves of the plants starts becoming purplish in color. The next question is, the central atom of chlorophyll molecule is made up of. So the central atom of chlorophyll molecule is made up of the nutrient that is magnesium. The next question is, which nutrient is mainly required for improving the quality and quantity of dry matter in leafy vegetables? Whenever we talk about vegetative growth, the nutrient that plays very important role is nitrogen. So the correct answer is nitrogen. The next question is, the middle lamella of the cell wall is made up of which nutrient? So in case of cell wall, the middle lamella is made up of calcium, which is mainly responsible for hardening of the cell wall. Next question is, the main mode of nutrition in case of plants is. So the options given to you are autotrophic, heterotrophic or saprophytic or none of the above. So we know that plants are autotrophic in nature. Autotrophic means they prepare their own food by themselves by the process of photosynthesis. Next question is, the nutrient element which is responsible for opening and closing of stomata is. So potassium is basically responsible for opening and closing of stomata. Next question is, which of the following is not a micronutrient? So we know that boron is a micronutrient, zinc also is a micronutrient and molybdenum also is a micronutrient. But magnesium, it is a secondary macronutrient. So it is not a micronutrient. Next question is, essential element that is required for the synthesis of oxygen is. So basically zinc is required for the synthesis of oxygen. Next question is, which nutrient is required for the metabolism of urea inside the plants? So nickel is required for metabolism of urea inside the plants. It means that if nickel is not present, the urea metabolism will not take place inside the plants. Next question is, which nutrient is required for nodulation in legumes? We all know that in case of legume plants, there is the formation of nodules on roots which are mainly responsible for the process of nitrogen fixation. So the nutrient element which plays important role for nodulation is molybdenum. These are some of the references from where I have collected these questions. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of it. Thank you so much.